let's check out what these practice kits are all about. So we have the timer cube here, which is really awesome. All you have to do is flip it. Let's say you want to practice 25 minutes and the timer starts counting down. So that's pretty kid friendly and exciting to kind of hit 3-4 times a week. Then we have like these $50 referral coupons, which basically means you give this to a family member, a friend, a neighbor, and if they enroll, both you and they get to get $50 off their first month or their next month enrollment. Then we have this little postcard here that tells you what's inside the practice kit and how to use it. We even have like a video here that you can use or scan to check out like how to set up the perfect practice space at home and how to use some of these resources. Then we have these fun piano or instrumental stickers, music stickers. We have these fun stickers, you know, who doesn't like puppies, especially if they're dressed up. So fun stickers that you can put on water bottles or on your binder, on your practice notebook even here. You've got a lot of space here to decorate it. This fun, colorful rainbow pencil. Just fun ways to start writing down your practice assignments. Then we have a little wristband here. Turn up life with music. This is one variation. We have 2 different ones. And this is just like a little reminder to practice when you wear it. Don't forget to practice your piano. Don't forget to practice your guitar. Then we have these Smiley clips, which will help you keep your sheet music together or keep your book open. I know sometimes I struggle with that. So just some fun stuff in here. And then this right here is our very own practice notebook that I myself actually designed like 8 or 7 years ago. But basically it follows our piano and more teaching model, which is a 3-part model. We have warm-up, music theory, and then ear training. I don't want to open it up too much to bend it because it's brand new, but this is pretty nice because, and then any kind of oldies, so music that you've actually learned in the past and you just want to play it 1 or 2 times to kind of review it. So yeah, every single lesson your teacher will write the assignments here, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so forth. You have 7 days to check it off and mark it if you did practice. So this is a nice little notebook. You can even have like a little calendar here to make plans. If you want to learn the pieces, like by the time a recital comes, you can kind of see how many days you have to practice. Any songs you'd like to learn, you can put it in the back here. So really nice resource. We only have so many of these left. Honestly, only 23. So once they're gone, they're gone. So yeah, pretty exciting. Get your practice kit today.